The world is changing fast, a whirlwind of innovation and progress reshaping every aspect of our lives. And artificial intelligence is at the heart of it, driving this transformation at an unprecedented pace. It's the engine behind countless advancements. AI is everywhere. It's becoming increasingly integrated into our daily routines. From our phones, with intelligent assistants and personalized experiences, to our workplaces, where it's streamlining operations and enhancing productivity. The big question, the one that's on everyone's mind, will a robot take my job? Will automation render my skills obsolete? Some fear AI will replace humans, leading to widespread job displacement and economic uncertainty, making our skills obsolete, leaving us struggling to adapt in a rapidly changing landscape. Others see AI as a tool that creates new opportunities, a catalyst for innovation and growth. Just like the personal computer did, revolutionizing industries and creating entirely new fields, history shows technology often transforms jobs, shifting the focus and demanding new expertise. Rather than simply eliminating them, it reshapes the employment landscape. AI might automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers from mundane activities, freeing us for creative problem-solving, allowing us to focus on more strategic and innovative endeavors. A 2023 report suggested AI could impact 300 million jobs, potentially displacing workers in certain sectors, especially those with routine tasks, where automation can significantly improve efficiency. But new roles will emerge, requiring a workforce equipped with different skills and knowledge, requiring us to adapt and learn new skills, embracing lifelong learning to stay relevant in the evolving job market. The story of AI and jobs is about change, not just loss. It's about evolution and adaptation. We'll need to work alongside AI, collaborating to leverage its strengths and augment our own capabilities, using its power to achieve more, unlocking new levels of productivity and innovation. The challenge is to prepare for this new world, not to stop it, to embrace the opportunities it presents. Understanding how AI is changing industries is key, allowing us to anticipate future trends and prepare accordingly. The future belongs to those who can adapt, to those who are willing to embrace change and learn new things. Learn and innovate, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI is a potential threat if we fail to adapt and prepare for its impact, but also a powerful opportunity for growth if we embrace its potential and harness its power responsibly. In the ever-evolving landscape of healthcare, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's actively transforming the way doctors work, offering new tools and capabilities that enhance their practice. AI algorithms possess the remarkable ability to analyze complex medical images with unparalleled speed and precision. This leads to earlier and more accurate detection of diseases, sometimes even before symptoms manifest. AI systems can efficiently screen thousands upon thousands of medical scans, far more than any human could manage in the same time frame. The AI intelligently flags scans that exhibit anomalies or areas of concern, effectively prioritizing cases that require a doctor's immediate attention and expertise. Beyond diagnostics, AI is also revolutionizing the field of drug discovery, significantly speeding up the process of identifying potential new medications. By meticulously analyzing vast datasets of medical and genetic information, AI can pinpoint promising avenues for treatment and therapeutic intervention. This accelerated discovery process means that life-saving medicines can be developed and reach patients in need much faster than ever before. While the integration of AI may lead to a reduction in some routine administrative roles, it's also creating exciting new job opportunities, such as AI specialists who develop and maintain these systems, and clinical data scientists who interpret the data they generate. These skilled professionals play a crucial role in bridging the gap between cutting-edge technology and the delivery of compassionate patient care. Ultimately, AI empowers doctors by augmenting their abilities and streamlining their workflows. By efficiently handling data analysis and other time-consuming tasks, AI frees up doctors to focus on what matters most, their patients. The uniquely human aspects of medicine, empathy, critical thinking, and the ability to make complex ethical decisions remain absolutely essential and cannot be replicated by machines. AI is not intended to replace doctors entirely, but rather to enhance their capabilities, leading to a healthcare system that is both smarter and more personalized. The future of medicine envisions a powerful partnership, a synergistic collaboration between human expertise and the remarkable capabilities of intelligent machines. Finance at its core runs on data. It's a world of numbers, trends, and predictions. This makes it a natural home for AI, a technology adept at processing vast amounts of information and identifying patterns that humans might miss. AI is already hard at work, detecting fraud in real time, protecting your money and saving banks billions of dollars annually by identifying and preventing fraudulent activities. Robo-advisors now manage investments for millions of people, making smart, data-driven decisions based on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. This technology makes investing accessible to everyone, breaking down barriers and empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. It's no longer just the wealthy who can benefit from sophisticated financial planning. Experts predict that up to 40% of finance tasks could be automated in the coming years, especially repetitive ones like data entry and reconciliation, freeing up human employees for more strategic work. But as some roles become automated, new roles are emerging: AI ethicists, who ensure these systems are fair and unbiased, quantitative analysts, and data experts who can interpret the complex outputs of AI models. Human skills, like building trust and rapport with clients, and understanding clients' unique needs and aspirations, are still vital and irreplaceable. The future of finance is a partnership, a collaboration between humans and machines, where AI handles the heavy lifting of data analysis, and humans provide the wisdom, experience, and empathy. Emotional intelligence and strategic thinking, the uniquely human capabilities, will set successful financial professionals apart in this new landscape. AI is a powerful tool for better, more personalized, and effective financial advice, tailored to each individual's specific circumstances. The smartest and most successful financial teams will be those that seamlessly blend machine power with human insight, creating a synergy that drives innovation and success. Manufacturing is being revolutionized by AI-powered robots. Predictive maintenance uses AI sensors to prevent costly breakdowns. AI-driven quality control spots defects faster and more accurately than humans. Millions of industrial robots now work in factories, automating repetitive tasks. While some jobs disappear, new roles like robotics technicians and AI specialists are in demand. The factory of the future is a place where humans and robots collaborate. Humans will manage, troubleshoot, and innovate, leaving dangerous or dull tasks to machines. The shift is from manual labor to technical management and creative problem-solving. AI makes factories safer and more efficient. The future of manufacturing is smart, safe, and human-led. AI is now a creative partner in art, music, and media. AI tools can write, compose, and generate images, speeding up the creative process. In film and gaming, AI automates animation and creates lifelike characters. Routine design jobs may shrink, but new roles are emerging: AI prompt engineers and content curators. The most valuable creative work still comes from human vision and emotion. AI is a tool, not a replacement for originality and storytelling. Artists who embrace AI will unlock new possibilities. The safest creative jobs require strategic thinking and a deep connection with audiences. AI handles technical tasks, freeing artists to focus on ideas and meaning. The future of creativity is human imagination amplified by AI. AI is reshaping education with personalized learning. AI-powered platforms adapt lessons to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Struggling students get extra help. Advanced learners get new challenges. AI automates grading and admin tasks, giving teachers more time for students. Teachers become mentors and guides, focusing on creativity and critical thinking. About 30% of teacher admin work could be automated, but teaching itself remains human. New jobs, like educational technologists and curriculum designers, are emerging. The classroom of the future blends human inspiration with AI support. No machine can replace the bond between teacher and student. AI ensures no one is left behind, making learning more effective and fair. The future of education is a partnership between teachers and digital tutors. AI is reshaping the job market, especially for routine and repetitive roles. The safest jobs rely on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Scientists, entrepreneurs, artists, and leaders will always be needed. Human relationships and empathy set us apart from machines. To thrive, we must embrace adaptability and lifelong learning. Critical thinking and creativity will be our greatest assets. Emotional intelligence will matter more than ever. AI brings challenges, but also incredible opportunities. By automating the dull tasks, AI lets us focus on what makes us human. Our future is not about machines taking over, but about working together. The story of AI is about building a smarter, more human world, together.